For today's Canvas tips and tricks video, we're going to cover how to ensure your YouTube video is allowed to embed directly on a Canvas page. So if you have students that are reporting they're unable to view your YouTube video, we're going to look at some of the settings to make sure that they can, in fact, see it properly. So let's jump in. So here we are in a sample Canvas course, and if we scroll down just a little bit, we'll see we have two videos that have been posted. One of them is posted correctly, this one here at the bottom, and one of them is posted here at the top. Both of these are videos that I've created and uploaded to my own YouTube channel. So let's take a look at the settings to see why this might happen. So here I've gone to studio.youtube.com and I can see all of my videos by clicking on the videos tab to the left here. This top video is the one that I tried to embed in my course. So let's take a look at the settings and see why it may not have worked. If I hover my mouse over this video, it will immediately give me the opportunity to click on this little pencil icon, which will take us into edit the details of our video. So the first thing I'll want to check is the visibility of my video, which is to the lower right. So right here we see visibility, and unlisted is just fine. We do have the option to set it as a public video, an unlisted video, or a private video. Unlisted is fine. It means that nobody's going to stumble upon it like they would a public video. Public video is something you might want to use if you're hoping to get other viewers to check out your video. So I've made this one unlisted, so only the people with the link will be able to view it. Now we give them the link by putting it in our Canvas course. If it's private, you would have to share the video itself with all of your students, and nobody wants to do that. So because you'd have to change it every semester, it would be a whole thing. So unlisted is the way to go. So we'll just leave it set to unlisted and click away from it and scroll up. And now we're going to take a look at more options. And we're going to scroll down just a bit, because the other place where this tends to be an issue is right here where it says allow embedding under the additional options. You must have this check marked. By default, it will have a check mark. You actually have to go in when you're uploading your video and uncheck this for this to not be checked. So the reason that you want to allow this is because this will allow you to embed your video on any of your websites, including your Canvas pages. So it sounds like when you hover your mouse over the little question mark, it sounds like this allows other people to embed your video on their website. Technically it does, but really when you're putting this in your own Canvas course, you are that other person, right? Like it doesn't know that you are signed in to YouTube just because you pasted the link in your Canvas course. So it's really important to leave this to allow embedding. The likelihood is that nobody is going to embed this anywhere else because they're not going to stumble upon it because it's an unlisted video. So things to think about. Probably you're going to be fine as long as you keep this check marked. Once we save this, we should be good to go in our Canvas course. So let's take a look. So here we are in our Canvas course. We're back on the lesson page where I posted that recording, and it looks normal. We now see that thumbnail, and if I click play, it will start to play. So that's all there is to it. Make sure that your video is either unlisted or public in YouTube, and make sure that you either go back into your video and allow embedding under more options, or never uncheck that in the first place, right? That's even easier. So make sure that allow embedding is selected, and you should be good to go. So I hope this video has been helpful. I'll see you guys soon in the next tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching.